Hello everyone and welcome back. Today on the channel we've got Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. We're on issue 31. In issue 31 we're going to be doing our shoulder blade and start building up the left shoulder blade. We also get some parts for the right shoulder as well. Yeah, so our Sci-Fi Cinema Legends is Tron, and our Real World Science is the History of Time Part 2 and what's coming up in next week's issue. So let's get these parts open and start building. Okay, so we've got our parts out of our packaging. We've got our shoulder blade here, we've got the pin that goes inside that holds it on, we've got a cover, we've got a sleeve, and we've got these three bits that'll be used later. So we're going to need to bring in our part that we had last week, and we're going to be putting this on, and this is going to be going down this one, just down here. And what we're going to do is we're going to get this sleeve and we're going to be sliding this down there, even though the sleeve is way too big. There we go. So we slide that down just like that, and we can take our pin and our shoulder blade. We want the shoulder blade coming back across like that. So now line it up, get your pin and give it a slide all the way through. This can be quite stiff as it was with the last one, but persevere, give it a good push, just like that. And that's what you should be left with. Now, I got that in a lot easier than I did last week, and that is because I got a little dollop of baby oil on my finger. I rubbed it up and down the shaft of the pin. So if you're struggling, put a little bit of baby oil just down there. It did slide in a hell of a lot easier. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece here, and all we're going to do is we'll be putting that just in there. You can add glue if you want. The last one stayed in fine, so that's how we should be ended up with after that. Next, we're going to need a little dollop of glue, so let's get a little dollop of glue. I have got this that I keep to put bits of glue on, so I don't get glue everywhere. Don't need a lot of glue this week. And get yourself a cocktail stick, and we're going to put in this, and I've put that upside down. Have I put that upside down? No, I haven't. It's alright, it's fine. This is upside down. So, yeah, get yourself a little dollop of glue and cocktail stick. I'll put some in there. Actually, I'm going to put quite a little dollop in there because this is not. There we go. When we take our part here, there is a key slot just in the top there, so that'll help us locate it. I'm going to put some in that key slot. That's actually, I'm just going to dab that just in the glue. Make sure it holds. So let's move this out of the way. Bring back in our part, and we're going to locate that. You can only put it in one way, just like that. So we're going to hold it straight and make sure the glue takes. Just give us a sec. Just like that. And that is what you should be left with. I had this round the wrong way. I thought it was upside. I thought I put this in upside down for a second then, but I hadn't. It's just that this was upside down. So move that to the side again. And now what we're going to be doing, take this piece here and this piece here. And what we're going to be doing with that, we're going to be putting some glue on here. Now you could put them on the ends of the pins here, but they're going to come through the ends of the holes on here. So just like that. So you're better off putting it on the 4 little indents just on the inside. Let's get some more glue. Put it on. Well, we know I just need a little bit more glue for that. There we go. Yeah, so we know it's going to stick. One, I'm just going to run it around the outsides of these pins here. Just for a bit of extra support, but I'm not putting any on the top. Right. Now we can get our part. We want it this way round. So we've got this, and we just drop that in as normal, spin it round until we feel it drop in. Eventually it should drop in just like that. And there we go. Give it a good little squeeze, and now we've got that part. And that is the end of this issue. So at the end of the issue, you should be left with this and this. This is our left shoulder, which is going to be going this side. Yeah, this side. And then we can add our right shoulder to what we've previously made. The only thing left, the only difference between these two now is this part on the front. We haven't got this part on the front which to go here, so I'm sure we'll get that in a few issues time. But yeah, looking very good. Very nice. So let's take a look at what's coming up next week. Next week we have got create a shoulder hinge joint. So we're making a shoulder hinge joint. So probably pretty similar to what we did with the elbow. So yeah, please join me then. That'll be out next week. If you haven't already, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.